Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a frog base. I'll start off by folding my paper in half. So I'll unfold that and I'll fold it diagonally in half as well. I'll work my way around the paper to complete these folds. So once I do this diagonal fold, I'll lift up the right side and shape it into place and flatten to make a square base, and I'll repeat that here as well. Then I'll use each of these flaps that have been formed. I'll open this up to squash into shape and flatten it down. I'll repeat this on the other flaps as well. There should be 3 more. If I turn this over, there's another hidden flap under here, so I can open this one up and then turn over to the other side to complete the rest. Here's the last flap. Once I've done that, I'll be working on the open ends. Using the outside edges of those, I'll be folding these towards the center. It helps if these creases are really strong, as you'll need to unfold and use these creases for the next step. So as I open these up, I'll then grab the edge of the middle and I'll pull this down, and this will allow it to do a petal fold, and then I flatten it into shape. This is definitely the tricky part of this process. Not all of these creases are absolutely perfect for me all the time, but I just keep practicing. So I'll repeat these steps a few more times to finish the frog base. I feel like this side's a lot better than the others so far. I'll open up these flaps like so, and then I can keep going. Nearly there. Now for the last one. This one was a lot more fiddly than I thought. Although this is the finished frog base. And as you can see, you can make lilies and variations of those kinds of flowers. And you can also make a few other things, including frogs. So have fun. Hey again, thanks for watching this video. I have so much fun making all this content for you. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you're on the lookout for origami paper, click the link down below. See you around soon.